Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, in this video I will show you how to use the modern and stylish Google fonts with your Ggplot charts. Using the Google fonts, you can also create Ggplot charts in different languages. There are various techniques to use the fonts. The technique we are going to use is one of the simplest and reliable one. If this is of interest to you, then keep watching. First, go to Google Fonts website. Browse through the fonts, and choose a font which you would like to use. Now, click on the download button to download the font from Google Fonts website. Here is the zip file containing the fonts which we downloaded. Double-click on the zip file. Again, double-click on the actual font file. You should now be seeing this screen, which shows the actual fonts. Click on the Install button. If the next button is enabled, then click on it. Some fonts are just single fonts, but some contains multiple variations like normal, bold, italics, etc. And you would have to install each variation one by one. Now, you can go to the C:\Windows/fonts directory to see the installed fonts. Here is our font which we installed just now. Double-click on this font. You would now be able to see all the variations of the fonts which you installed. We are going to use the Dancing Script regular font. Right-click on this font to see the properties. Note the actual font file name and the location of the font. You would need both when you start creating the script for your charts. Now let's start writing the script in Rstudio. We will be using these packages. To install packages in Rstudio, click on the Packages tab. Enter the name of the package. And click on Install. Now call the packages first. Use the font add command. Give a name to the font, we called it Dancing. But you can use anything as the name. Then give the actual path and the file name for our font, which we just noted in the previous step. Here is the command to create our first chart using Ggplot. We have various videos which explain how to create and customize various charts in R and Python. By the way, if you like our content, then please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Here is our first chart which is using the Google font which we specified. In the next few minutes, we will see more charts using other Google fonts. Here is an example of another Google font. Next we will see how to create charts and use fonts from other international languages. Here is another example in Korean language. As I am not expert in any of these languages, I just used Google Translation. So if you find the text funny or incorrect, then please pardon me. Here is another example in Hindi language from India. Another example using Gurmukhi script from India. Another example using Urdu script. I hope you liked this video and learned how to use various Google fonts in your Ggplot charts. We have a large library of videos which cover statistics, data visualization using R, Python and Excel, including beginners, intermediate and advanced topics. Please like and subscribe if you found the content to be of value to you. See you in the next video.